There is more than meets the eye in this spacious and stunning 3-level, brick front town home nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac, in the bustling and booming city of Bowie. This well-kept 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath Colonial will surprise you with its depth and unique floor plan. High ceilings on all 3 levels, gleaming hardwoods, and unique elevations throughout. This home is sure to excite you. Recent upgrades in the kitchen and bathrooms will entice you and warm. Welcoming tones and accents around will engage your senses and keep you wanting more. Your fully finished, walkout basement family room with wood burning fireplace is a showstopper. This home is the one for you. Fully equipped with 2 reserved parking spaces, directly out front, and plenty of visitor parking. Your modest HOA dues earn you pool access in the summer, snow removal in winter.